Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to walk through how to import and export Omniscripts in the new Salesforce interface orgs using VS Code and the Salesforce CLI. If you've ever needed to move your OmniStudio configurations, whether it is from sandbox to production or between different development environments, this process will save you a ton of time. We'll be working with a Salesforce org that has the new interface enabled, and we'll also make sure that our VS Code is authorized with that org before running any commands. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly transfer your Omniscripts without any manual recreation in the UI. So let's dive right in. As you can see on my screen, I have a few Omniscripts, and if I select any one of them, I have some data inside it. So in the previous versions of OmniStudio, we used to have an export and import button over here, and that was a pretty straightforward process. But now we have a different process which gives us some Salesforce CLIs that can be used to import and export the Omniscripts, data mappers, integration procedures, all of that. So for this process, Salesforce has given us some instructions with a few commands of exporting and importing our components, and also some variables that need to be filled before running these commands. So let's prepare a text document for all of this, which makes it much easier to keep all the data in one place. So let's write the export command first. Then we'll need some variables for this. That is the org alias. Then I need an export directory. Then I need the Omni ID. I would also require the import command. So let's grab that as well. And the import command needs an alias and export directory, which we will use the same ones for the export command. So let's fill these variables now. The Omni ID, you will find it at the top of the page in the URL. There is an Omniscript ID. So copy that. The export directory, we'll have to make one, and the alias would be the Visual Studio Code's authorized org alias. So for me, it is dev org jc, and you can just paste it here. And for the export directory, I'll have to make one first. So let's make the directory first. I'll just name it as Omni Backup. Let's navigate into this directory and copy the present working directory path. We can put this in our text editor. So now that we have all the data that is required to run these commands, we'll insert these variables into the commands first. So the alias, the org alias would be dev.jc for me. The export directory will copy, and I will paste it in place of the export directory variable. And the Omni ID, I will copy and place instead of the Omniscript ID. So as you can see, my command is ready over here. I can pick this up and run in my VS Code terminal. So this should back up my current Omniscript for which I gave the ID and put it into my Omni backup folder. If we check what's there in the folder, we can see there are 3 JSON files which contain all the data about your Omniscript. So to test this, I will just navigate back to my OmniStudio, and I will delete this 4th one that we copied, text record. Once this Omniscript is deleted, I'll just refresh the page again to make sure it's gone. As you can see, we only have 3 now. And now let's see how to import that back again from our backup. So go back to Visual Studio, and we already have our import command here, but we need to fill the variable. So here we don't need the Omni ID. We only need the alias that we had corrected before, and we need the export directory from where we need to pick up this backup. So just in place of export directory, paste it, and let me just remove the Dr. Spell. Now I have my import command as well. I can just pick that up and paste it in the VS Code, run that command, and this will say import results. That means that your command passed, and I have again retrieved my Omniscript. So now if I refresh this page again, I should see a 4th one that was test record, and here we have it. If we open the text record again, you can see the previous data that I had before deleting it. So that's it. You've seen how to import and export Omniscripts using VS Code and using Salesforce CLI. This approach makes it quick and efficient to move your OmniStudio work between orgs, especially when you're collaborating with teams or deploying to new environments. This process is similar for data mappers and integration procedures. You just need to enter the respective ID from the URL into the commands, and you will have the same results. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Salesforce OmniStudio tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.